Hi, hello. How are you, everyone? Hope you are all good. Now, thanks for joining to my webinar. And in this webinar, we will talk about global hiring, payroll, compliance, and all other important topics. In the last video, I talked about some top payroll and global hiring softwares, and we did some comparison. And now we will take a look at the winner. And as you know, that deal was the winner. So now we'll go to Dell.com. And first of all, we know that their pricing is quite reasonable and their pricing is good actually for a starting company. And you can literally book a demo here by clicking this button in their homepage, and they provide payroll, HR, IT, and several auxiliary services. Like you can use their Dell benefits, Dell Hire, Dell Mobility, and all other softwares. And first of all, we will uh, take a look at their some solutions like what we offer. I mean, what Dell offers. Dell basically offers payroll, HR benefits, IT, higher mobility, embedded services, and all other details. And we will try to log in. So, as far as I know, that first of all, you should, I mean, you have to book a demo with them and they will onboard you. But no problem, you can also log in here or create an account. So first of all, we will try to create an account and use their interface, use their UI UX and their system, how it works, how does it works, and how does it feels actually. So now here's the on the onboarding page, they are asking, how will you use Dell to run my business, to work as a contractor, to use immigration services. So here's like they are focusing on top three service. I mean business like local businesses, contractors, and immigration services. But you can also use their services if you are looking for something else by clicking on this button. First of all, we will try to cover it as a business owner or contractor. So we will sign up with Google. Okay, and we are in. So oh, now we have to verify our email. Let me check my email. Mm, Here we go. Uh, Now we have to click this email to verify our email address. Now they have confirmed our email and now we will be able to log in their system. So just a minute. Okay. So what type of contractors are you? Uh, let's say I'm an individual. We're just experimenting their onboarding system and their softwares actually here, because we will just first time we will try to figure out their UI UX interface. I mean, is it easy to use or not? And then we will go for all other details. So here you have to add your personal details like citizen, Kingdom, citizen of country of tax residence, Uh, Individual text ID optional, no problem. We will edit it later. And to add our date of birth. And here you have to add our social security number. Like I'm adding a demo one. So let's see what happens. And then we have to uh, add our phone number. I'm adding in demo one. I don't want to add my backup email. Then continue. You have to add your SSN number. I mean, it should be the real one. So that's why I think I should stop the screen sharing for a second. And now I will add my SSN. Actually, I'm using my EIN number that I use for US entity and all other details. Let's take a look. Okay. So now let's go. Okay. Now let's share the screen again. Okay. Sorry for any disturbance. And we have passed the details, and then we can add our postal code or all other details. 8801 Street 13 Gold Street. I'm using my LLC details here. So then just finish up. You can also add your own country details, no problem. You don't have to use US details only. You can use your own country details. I'm just using my LLC details. That's why I'm setting up. It's in United States, no problem. So finally, we're in, and now we have the access to the deal.com and their services. So this is their first interface, and here we can see what they ask. So first of all, we have to verify our identity, and then let's see what task they are asking to do. Create a contract. We can create a contract here. Upload documents, legal and compliance requirement documents, and then we can complete this. So first of all, we don't will not complete this task. We will just try to understand their interface. We will try to explore the UI UX of their interface of their platform. So at the top left side we have our organization name. We will get our organization name by adding these details here and uploading the documents. And here also add here's a menu that we can use to navigate. And under our space we have contracts, pay cycles, immigration. And in finance tab we have transactions, withdrawal methods, invoices. And in more, we can see insurance, tax advice, and conversion center. Okay, so here is our profile. Let's say, okay, first of all, we will go to the workspace to contracts, and here you can create a contract. Okay, let's say create contact. Mm, Oh, we can create our agreement like fixed rate, pay as you go, or a milestone. So let's say fixed rate and the contract name. mm, Plumbing, plumbing project. Okay. Compose tax residence. Let's say unit registers. Okay. Now the state we have to choose. Let's say we are using our system. No problem. You can change it. I mean, you have to add your contractor details. Then click continue. Role optional. We will skip all optional options. Explanation of scope of work. What I mean, what type of works you have to do. I have to do plumbing. Plumbing. Okay. Let's say oh minimum 30 characters. Have to do plumbing mm, and some minor works. Okay, now let's click on continue and payment rate $1,000 monthly and invoice cycle monthly, end on days of the month, end of the day of the week when you wanna get paid and your paid system, then we'll create. Then we'll take a look at my other details. Use student deal agreement. Oh yeah, here's a good system. So you don't have to create any contract agreement or a job agreement. You can use Dell ready-made agreements, and also you can use your own agreement system here. And at the bottom, you can upload your file. I mean, agreement file here. So this is a time-saving option. I think it's a good option for contractors and business owners. And then compliance documents, deal documents requesting these documents to meet compliance regulations. Oh, also a good sign. They are recommending you, I mean, requesting you to add some compliance documents if you have or not, no problem. You can add your additional documents here, a special clause if you have any clause, and you can click continue. And finally, here you can see you can invite your client here. I mean the homeowner where you will do the job, and then the homeowner will sign this document and you will sign the document, and then you can start your job. And it's very straightforward and very easy to do. I think it's an easy job for both sides. So let's say we invite a client. Uh, we will use a temp email here and try to understand their platform. How is it working? You should use your own homeowners, I mean customers details here, but we are just not trying to check how does it work. That's why we're using the temp email. Then now send it an invite. Okay, we have sent the invitation. Let's see our email. Is it working or not? Oh yeah, we got the contract, and it's asking to sign the contract. Sorry. Yeah, here you can see. Let's sign your contract. The homeowner will get the email, and they can click on this button, and instantly it will redirect to the. Yeah. Right. So um, now we don't need the temp email anymore. So here, yeah, maybe this is the last option. Now let's take a look at the overview of this contact sign page. And sorry for my slow internet speed. Oh yeah, yeah, got the invitation now. Mm, okay, okay, everything is almost done. So review and sign. Copy invitation link and signs here. Review and sign. Register register contact. Okay, okay. So, oh, I see. First of all, the organization have to sign the document. Then you can maybe sign in. Oh, another option here we can see that if you feel any problem, I mean, if you don't understand any section, then you can ask their AI. They will help you to get the answer, how the contact system works, and also actually, let's ask that how to get the contract signed. Let's see how's the reply. Working on it. Design a contract from the home page. Select contracts, review and sign. Sign Swiss signing order. You could like client to sign first. Oh, I see. Here you can see the Swiss signing order. We have to click here, review and sign. Then you can click here. Or straight here. Okay. Love and sign. You can download the PDF here and done. The kind of sign is okay. It's quite straightforward. And for this, okay, thanks AI. And here you can see the contacts of your existing contact. Okay. And now you can also, okay, sign by contactor. It's done. And you can download the contactor PDF or cancel the contactor by clicking on this more button. And this is very simple process. And now you can update your pay cycles here by clicking this button. Okay, it will again take you to the same page, and you can edit every section by clicking edit button on every section. Here you can see we have edit section, so no problem, you can edit it easily anytime. And then let's take a look at the immigration button. I mean immigration link. Immigration complaints tracker. If you have any immigration complaints issue, then you can see all the details here. And first of all, you don't have any data here right now because we just started right now. And then you can see all your actions required that you have to take a look. You can see here, but we are all caught up now. And then the finance tab, we can see our transactions. Uh, here so we can see our all the transactions that you will be able to see after completion of the job as a contractor. Then we will get the payment from the homeowner, and then we will be able to see our all transactions here, and we can withdraw. We can add our withdraw methods here. Verify after verifying the account, then we will be able to add the withdraw methods here. So we will not go there right now. And then invoices. Here we can see all our invoices. If we have any pending or existing invoices, then we will be able to see it here. And in the more tab, let's see their products and services like insurance. Uh, yeah, oh, it's a very good thing. We can get insured, like not like just $1 per week. You can get the coverage from Avibra, Genki, so it's a very good thing. Yeah, insurance is a very very good thing for contractors, especially because if you get injured on your job site or if your business anything can be happen. So insurance is very very important to get everything covered on behalf of you. So I think it's a very good option. You can take a benefit from here. And the tax advice, mm, yeah, get you can get professional tax help here also, and that's a very good option. I think because tax advice sometimes tax can be a very very difficult thing for you, especially when you are working on other countries. Like if you need help in Canada, Colombia, Germany, Italy, and all other mm, outside countries, then you have to be compliant with their tax systems. That's why getting professional tax help is a very, very good option as a contractor. If you need any help, then you can get it by getting by clicking here, join the list. Oh, I see. Unprocessed tax advice is not yet available in the country of tax advice. Oh, I see. It's you can get tax advice if you're only working with foreign countries. That's the reason here. So we are just not getting any availability. Then communication center. Uh, that's a good the good thing that when we ask the AI, they have matured like how to get the contract signed, and we can get our previous conversations with the AI and also with their human. So if you don't get any answer from the AI, then you can ask here like an human, then it will directly connect you with an agent. And then here at the profile, we will be able to set our profiles or details that we added on onboarding. Then we can edit anytime. And then if we go to home and like if you have balance here, okay, you can see your balance by clicking on this I button, show sensitive info, because when you have a balance and you don't want to share it, or you have your wife or your colleagues with you and you don't want to share your balance, but you want to show something on this dashboard, then this button will help you to a lot. And here you can see your balance, and on this gray button, when you have a balance you can withdraw by clicking this button. We don't have money right now, that's why this is not working, and that's it. I think it's a very good and it's forward dashboard and very very user friendly, and that's why I think it is very good for startups. I mean, um like small or just started businesses, for just started contractors, and I think you will be very helpful by this video, by this webinar, and I will put the link, all the details in the description, in the video description, also in the pin comment. Then I think you will be able to get all the details on their website. Till then, take care. Bye bye.